wala kang alam lahat. Hindi ikaw nakikipag-coordinate, hindi ka kumakausap sa abogado, but now they're telling us na ikaw ang nag-coordinate. So, dito, kikita na natin yung pagsisinungaling mo.
Mr. Chair.
Diba? So, ngayon, sino? Sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate sa NFC?
Totoo po yung mga sinasabi ko, Your Honor, yung wala po talaga akong alam about dun sa mga pinipirmahan ko. Pero yung sa kanila po, ako po talaga yung
Pero kanina sinabi mo hindi ikaw di ba?
Mr. Chair. Walang.
Yes, wait. Let the chair finish first. So, hindi mo sinabi kanina na ikaw nag-coordinate. But now, sinasabi nila na ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. Di ba? So, now you will agree with me that ikaw talaga nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. And I'm asking you right now, kung ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate ka sa abogado na ginagamit ng Lucky South? Sino?
Ako po.
Mr.
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ng tama yung tanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko, sino nag-utos sa iyo para kausapin ang lawyer ng NFC para ipagtanggol kayo sa korte at samahan ka dito sa Kongreso? Sino nag-utos sa iyo?
Kasi po, nung...
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina sinasabi mo, wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. You are telling all these lies na sinasabi mo, wala kang alam. Now suddenly, eto, ikaw, pumunta ka sa isang law firm. Ikaw nag-represent sa Lucky South 99. And telling them, hinahire ko kayo bilang kayo magtatanggol sa amin. Well, meron ka palang ganitong klaseng authority. Ngayon ang tanong, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na kausapin ang law firm na NFC?
yung totoo po niyan, Your Honor, may tumawag po
Sino nga?
isang attorney.
Sino? Anong pangalan?
Si Attorney Abby po tumawag.
Sino Tony Abel? Anong pangalan niya? Full name?
Abby lang po yung pagkakaalam kong name.
Kasama sa Lucky South 99.
And under po ng law nila, ng law firm. Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili nilang law firm. Pinaglaloloko mo kami dito.
Hindi po. Di ba po ako po yung corporate sec?
Okay.
Tapos tumawag po si Attorney Abby sa akin. Na
Sino
parang-
tumawag sa iyo? Sa attorney ng law firm.
Opo, attorney po ng law firm.
Para?
Tapos parang may inaano po siya na may pepermahan daw po ako na about nga daw po sa Lucky South.
Hindi, kanina Ronaldin Baterna, ang sabi mo, babalikan natin. Ang sabi mo kanina, okay, tinatanong kita, sino nag-coordinate sa lawyer? Sabi mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ikaw. Sinanong namin ngayon yung lawyer mo. Ang sabi ng lawyer mo, nag-coordinate sa kanila para i-hire sila. Ikaw. Tinatanong kita kanina dahil wala kang alam sa lahat ng mga korporasyon na to. Umipirma ka lang. Tinatanong ko sa iyo, diba, inamin mo na ngayon, ikaw nagko-coordinate. Sino nga ang nagsabi sa iyo? Yung abogado mismo ng law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa kanila? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yes po.
Ha?
Pero hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila na para tawagan po ako.
Mr. Chair, mayroon lang akong tanong in relation. Baka makalimutan ko yung tanong ko eh.
Mr. Chair.
So, Congressman Abante, then Congressman Pacho. Panto.
Okay,
Go ahead.
I would like to ask the lawyer, ilang taon na po kayong lawyer ng Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Your Honor, our services were just engaged by Lucky South after po the raid.
After the
The raid,
raid?
yes.
When was that?
Honor. This June or July po.
Kayo rin po ba ang abogado ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing?
Not that I know of, Your Honor.
Okay.
Congresswoman Pancho, please.
Nag-agree po ako kay Congressman na Abante, no? Parang ginagawa tayong tanga rito ng mga resource persons natin. Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. Kung talagang abogado nyo yan, magkano po binayad nyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee ninyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo nyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
Your Honor, gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, may kumontak po sa akin, which is si Attorney Abby nga po. So, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung kausap niya. Ang sinabi niya lang, may need lang daw po akong permahan.
Kasi ang sabi niyo po kanina, kayo ang tumawag. So kung kayo po ang tumawag, kayo ang nag-seek ng service po niya. So pagka po kayo ang tumawag, ibig sabihin, may pambayad kayo doon sa kanyang PF. Di ba? Kasi yun ang pinipilit nyo sa amin kanina eh. Naniniwala kami na hindi naman po totoo eh. So binago nyo, binaliktad nyo.
Yun po yung totoo, Your Honor.
I think this person is really hiding something. And she thought na we are all stupid here, you know. So what is the pleasure of the body?
There is a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
For her?
No, for the incorporators, for the four of them.
O sige, what's the
Now, realizing, Mr. Chair, that these four are mere employees at ginamit lamang sila out of my compassionate heart, I am withdrawing my motion for contempt. For the four. For the three, di ba kasama si Mr. Miss, kasama yun kasi corporate secretary siya eh. For the four. Oo. As out of
wait.
my compassionate heart and your compassionate heart, Mr. Chair.
Yes. I'm thanking the good chair of the Committee on Human Rights for withdrawing that motion for the three personalities. But I think on the next, on Miss Ronaldin Baterna, ang dami niyang pagsisinungaling eh, kanina pa eh. And she's been in the company since 2019 up to 2024, up to now. And this woman is really may alam siya eh, but withholding it for herself. Maybe kasi kilala rin niya si Cassandra. Ang dami niyang kilala doon sa... Well, anyway, I leave it to the body to decide on this.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman ako, please.
may I know the parliamentary status of the motions?
Well, the parliamentary status, there was a motion initially to cite in contempt. First, yung si Ronaldin, and then the three incorporators. Then he withdrew it just a while ago. So now the parliamentary status is that was already withdrawn. So if we will show compassion to Ronaldin Baterna, it's up to the body. So
Mr. Chairman.
we decide. Yes, Congressman
Mr.
Adwan.
Chairman, just this morning, I have a motion to contempt Ms. Baterna, but I hold it because we give her a chance now to answer truthfully. Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So, alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Baterna in violation of our internal laws, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to cite Ronaldin Baterna under Section 11. And there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldin Paterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman,
So, the penalty. Congressman
I give
Paterna.
the privilege to Chairman
Congressman Acop,
If
please.
you will recognize Chairman Acop
Congressman.
with regards to the detention. Please.
Mr. Chair, may I move that the penalty given to Ms. Ronaldin being cited in contempt for 30 days to be confined doon po sa bago nating custodial center inaugurated at 1:30 this afternoon. So move, Mr. Chair.
So there's a motion, put the resource speaker in the premises of the House of Representatives for 30 days. Is there a second motion? Second motion. There's a second motion. Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Okay, so hindi kami masaya. Akala nyo masaya kami sa ginagawa namin. Nahirapan po kami. Trabaho namin to and we have to do our job. Hindi kayo nakikikooperate. Please, tulungan po natin ang ating bansa.
Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
any motion to for suspension?
Mr. Chair, just
Congressman,
may I ask one question to
sige, go ahead, Congressman Abante.
Attorney Roque, please.
Yes, Mr.
On
Chair.
August 6, 2024, this committee received a letter from Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman. Are you aware of this? No, you're not.
No, Your Honor. I
Okay.
have not been furnished a copy.
Now, it says here that they are actually accusing the Whirlwind Corporation taking forcefully the adjacent lots. And it says right here, there is also no truth to the malicious allegations of Attorney Harry Roque, counsel of Whirlwind Corporation, when he referred to as Cruz siblings to have allegedly conceptualized this project. Now, will you please answer that, Mr.
Well, Your Honor, I do not recall saying that it is the Cruz siblings who conceptualized the project. What I mentioned is it is the Cruz that has been involved in this project from the very beginning because they own the land and they leased it to Whirlwind. Now, I do not think I will mention anything regarding the children because the contract was entered into between the old man and Whirlwind. Now, it is in turn the children, the registered owners of the property, that filed suit against Whirlwind. But I think my statement, if I remember correctly, is that it was Old Man Cruz that dealt with Whirlwind from the very beginning, from the time that the lease was entered into, as in fact, it is Old Man Cruz, Roberto Cruz, who signed the contract of lease, only to find out that the registered owners were his children, including, I believe, Mr. Donato.
So, Mr. Chair, do you deny, therefore, the accusation of Ronaldo Cruz and Nila Cruz de Guzman?
Yes, Your Honor. My only dealings with the children is the fact that they are the adverse party in the ejectment case, Your Honor.
But you know for a fact, Attorney Roque, that the reason why Whirlwind Company bought the property is for them to put up a Pogo Hub.
I do not know that, Your Honor, because I only knew them in 2022 after the elections, long after the property had already been developed. No? It was already existing, Lucky South already had the contract, and as is apparent in all the discussions, I had no participation whatsoever with either Whirlwind or Lucky South until 2023, no? When I accompanied Ms. Ong to Pagcor.
Attorney Roque, Mr. Chair, if my memory serves me right, during the last hearing, you said that you knew that Cassandra would be putting up a Pogo Hub. You knew that.
No, Your Honor. I met them already. The Pogo app was already up. It was already up long after it had been constructed, in fact. I met them in 2022, long after it's been up, Your Honor. In fact, on the 2023 was when they asked for assistance already because nadispalkuhan nga daw po sila.
In
So,
fact,
hindi ko pa po sila kakilala when they were building it.
ibig sabihin, may Pogo Hub na bago kayo naging abogado. Nila.
Opo, nandyan na po yan. Nandyan na po yan.
Hindi nasabi sa inyo na meron silang Pogo Hub?
Hindi po sa kanila yung Pogo Hub. Ang sinasabi
totoo.
nila is,
And
sila
the thing
po
is-
yung nagpapaupa.
Attorney,
Na ginagamit po sa
alam
Pogo.
natin na yung pong Lucky South 99 Corporation, kay Cassandra din. Di ba? Yung
Hindi-
Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation,
Hindi ko po alam na kay
ay kay
Cassandra.
Cassandra din.
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po alam na sa kanya yan. Dahil ang pagkakakilala po ko sa kanya at pumirma nga po siya dun sa mga dokumento na hinain namin sa mga korte, siya ay taga Whirlwind.
Okay, Mr. Chair, thank you very much.
Maraming
Okay,
salamat, Mr. Chair.
maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, everybody. I think we no longer have members who wanted to interpolate. And the next item of our agenda is other matters. If there are other matters to be discussed, Congressman Paduano, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, as a manifestation addressed to the committee, of course, and to the three that was cited in contempt, but it was withdrawn by Chairman Abante. Now, actually, it was withdrawn not because we believe in your story. Okay? So I hope in the next hearing, this is just a forewarn to you. I hope in the next hearing, you will tell the truth. Or else, we'll be forced to cite you in contempt. Ano lang yan? Warning lang yan sa inyo. Sabi ko na nga, hindi ko mo winidraw ni Chairman Abante, you're off the hook. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yeah, correct. And wag niyo hayaang kami makaunang makakuha ng mga ebidensya. And if we found out that you have the connection with the owners of the Lucky South 99, then we will do what we have to do. So, thank you. Any motion?
Sorry,
Motion to
Mr. Chairman,
suspend.
isa pa pala, nakalimutan ko.
Is it motion
Parang sa
to
contempt.
adjourn or motion to suspend?
Wait, Congressman Nabante. You are recognized, Congressman Paduano.
Anyway, Mr. Chairman, nakalimutan ko lang po. Ms. Baterna, I just want to advise you, you have all the rights, no? Since you are cited in contempt in this committee, you have all the rights. With your lawyer, of course, no? To write officially to this committee, to the chair, if you want to file a motion for reconsideration. You have all the rights.
Your Honor, baka pwede pong humingi ng consideration. Kasi lahat naman po ng sinabi ko is totoo po. Tapos nung mga una po, may medyo mali lang po. Pero sinabi ko rin naman po yung totoo.
Mr. Chairman, I'm just giving you an advice because the contempt order was already approved by this committee. Sasabi ko nga, kung gusto mo, first hour tomorrow, you file na your MR to this committee addressed to the chairman. But of course, it's up to the committee to decide if your motion for reconsideration will be considered by this committee. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, any motion for suspension? Motion.
Mr. Chairman.
Parang ayaw nyo pa. Gusto nyo pa ituloy
Mr.
na.
Chairman. Gusto ko na rin umalis kaya may I respectfully move that we suspend the hearing.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. I'd like to find out if
Wait. You are not yet recognized. Congressman Abante, now you are recognized. Let's put order. Public order and safety tayo. Go
thank
ahead.
you. Is it
What is your
motion
point of order?
to suspend or motion to adjourn? Because Is this, there will be another hearing for this, or we are going to have
Yes.
a quad hearing already?
A while ago, when we started our hearing, I manifested that we're about to terminate the hearing and move forward to the Quadcom that the plenary created by the members. But now that there was a motion a while ago for the continuing investigation on some issues not related to the Quadcom, then it was moved by Congressman Paduano that we don't terminate our hearing, but let's just suspend.
But
this hearing.
Mr. Chair, that would be an overlapping function. What I'm saying is, why don't we adjourn this hearing now, and then in the Quad Committee we have, let us again, hear this,
So we are just quarreling about adjournment and suspending.
yes, because if
I
it's
give way to you, my friend.
Okay.
So this committee hearing is now. Ay, hindi, it's a motion because there's a motion So,
let me amend the motion to adjourn.
Mr. Chairman,
Mr. Chair, point of order. The movement of the motion has the right to amend
yes, correct.
this motion.
Okay.
So,
Anyway, the point of order of Congressman Abante was heard, and there is a pending motion by Congressman Acop on his motion to suspend, and the manifestation of Congress Abante is that we adjourn. So it is the correct. Congressman Barbers is correct in saying that the motion to withdraw is upon the movant who happens to be Congressman Acop. So, Congressman Acop, what is the pleasure?
Mr. Chairman,
What is your pleasure?
Chairman.
Congressman Paduano, sige, binigyan ka na ng
Mr. Chairman,
rights.
just a point of clarification. Because the motion of the Chairman Akop is to suspend. Now, if we adjourn, we have to establish a quorum again in the next hearing. But of course, if we want to terminate this, as I've said, marami pong resource persons na hindi nga dumating dito na with a parochial or local concern. Well, in fact, hindi pa nga ako tapos kay Chairman Roque, Secretary Roque, but you explain, Chairman, na sa next hearing na lang. Because we have also the rest. That's why, Mr. Chairman, again, I support the motion of Chairman Akop because we don't need to terminate this as of now. At the same time, we don't need to get the quorum again on the next hearing because of this motion to adjourn. We will just suspend. Unless we decide, and we can decide, after this meeting, we will just suspend, and we will decide. If indeed, we will decide to terminate this investigation.
Mr. Chair, 1 minute.
Wait, you are not yet recognized.
1 minute.
But, alam niyo, gusto ko kayong dalawang pagbigyan Ha? Isang suspension, isang
1 minute suspension muna.
Okay, 1 minute suspension. Hearing resume. So, nagkasundo na po. So, we will be suspending our hearing because there are some issues that we have to tackle in the next hearing for this investigation. So, there's a pending motion that was done by Congressman Acop. So, Congressman Acop, you are now recognized.
I think Chairman Barbers has something to say before I...
Okay, so
Chairman
Congressman Barbers, you are now
Okay,
recognized.
thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, just this morning, the House, with the imprimatur of the plenary, allowed the Committee on Rules to create a joint multi-committee, which is now called the Quadcom. And in this Quadcom, we will consolidate all the hearings that we had in these 4 committees that composes this Quadcom. So, if I may suggest, and would the gentleman from Antipolo will agree, that instead of adjournment, Mr. Chair, we suspend hearings of the committee and you still need one more hearing?
Well, it depends with the sentiments of the members because at first nga I wanted to terminate this hearing already and move up for the Coop committee. But of course, there's a motion by Congressman Paduano and it was duly seconded and was approved by the body. So there are issues that he wanted to explore. And that's the reason why kanina I was asking for the suspension of the hearing instead of adjournment. But there was a point of order that was raised by Congressman Abante. And there was a motion already that we will be suspending. So, pinagbigyan po natin yung body. But I believe that because of that motion that was made by Congressman Paduano, we are bound to have another hearing.
Okay, if I may ask for a reconsideration from Congressman Paduano, that instead of calling for another hearing of the Committee on Public Order, let us just agree that the Committee on Public Orders hearing and all other committees, which is a member of the Quadcom, be convened with the findings of these 4 committees be transmitted to the Quadcom so that we can continue holding hearings and investigation, Mr. Chair.
Agreeable to the... because...
So, suspension lang muna.
Well,
Hindi
technically,
kasi, ang motion kasi is either suspension or adjournment. So, my position is suspension lang muna, then we will talk
suspension.
what will be the next step. Kung
okay,
over
this is
natin
the...
na to,
Okay, yeah.
so, wala nang hearing mangyari.
So, ang status, ang sinasabi ni Congressman Barbers, that all the matters pertaining to the this investigation on this committee will be transmitted, no?
To the Quadcom.
Yes. If it's being transmitted to the Quadcom, is it necessarily we are stating that there will be no more hearing that will be conducted by this committee?
Mr. Chair,
Because that the motion of Congressman Paduano is to have another hearing. The joint committee hearing between Games and Amusement and the Committee on Public Order. So your manifestation is to transmit all the documents and the investigation as well?
Chairman.
Mr. Chair,
Ito naman tayo. Another
Chairman,
conflict.
ganito lang po. This investigation emanates from a House resolution. And under our protocols and processes, it must be properly terminated. And a committee report should be submitted. And the committee report, based on that resolution, should be adopted in the plenary. Ganun lang po. Wala akong problema that the result of this hearing, 3 hearings or 4 hearings, will be submitted to the Quadcom, but we should follow protocols with regards to investigation in aid of legislation. The House resolution with regards to Quadcom is a different House resolution. We have to You have to terminate this and make a committee report.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Okay, wait, Congressman Paduano. Congressman Barbers, so you want to reply?
Yeah, I'd like to ask for a reconsideration in the statement made by Congressman Paduano. The reason being, Mr. Chair, is that one of the rationale behind creating the Quadcom is so that because there are intertwined issues between 4 committees, we wanted to do it in a committee, in a multi-committee or joint committee hearings. So there is no need, Mr. Chair, to terminate because we still will continue our investigation on the same subject matter. And if we terminate that, now the committee is compelled to write the committee report. And it will take some time. According to Congressman Paduano, he's not yet done interpolating Secretary Roque and other resource persons. So, Mr. Chair, again, if the good gentleman from party list, Sagip, would reconsider his motion to adjourn. And
Congressman Barbers, Congressman Paduano, because I have to remind the members that this hearing is a joint meeting with Games and Amusement. And I think I really don't know. 1 minute suspension.
Mr. Chair,
Hearing resume. So, okay, any motion to suspend the hearing? Suspension.
Mr. Chair, I have
Yes.
a pending motion.
Yes, yes. What is your pending
I would
motion? I
just
forgot.
like to reiterate my motion.
Yes, sir.
I respectfully move that we suspend the hearing this afternoon.
Any second the motion? Any objection? Hearing none, the said motion is now approved. Hearing suspended.